Awesome. We're live now. And of course, we're going to be waiting for everyone to join in before we can start discussing the amazing topic at hand. And I'm very excited about it. But let's do a quick check. Madhur, all good? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Because I can hear you and see you.
Yeah, I can hear and see you. I have the same question to you as well. So, can you hear and see me both?
All good. All good. Oh, oops, my thumb is not getting mixed here. Awesome. Cool. Let's just wait for a bit for everyone to join in. In the meanwhile, how's your weekend been?
Weekend's been good so far. Um,
How's sugar levels?
got to
All
sleep
good?
more than usual. Got to sleep more than usual. Um, but apart from that, it's been quite good. I just had my uncles coming from the US to visit us. So
Oh, how lovely is
that's
that?
that's a bit of a yeah.
Amazing. I hope everyone who's tuning in there, BGs are all under control and amazing.
Yeah, I hope so as well. I mean, my PG is not in control at all. It's slightly on the higher side. Um,
Well, that happens,
but
doesn't it? Like
yeah,
it's part of life. Same high
yeah,
five. Awesome. I think best to on that note, it's best to get started because the topic at hand and the workshop that you are all joining us for, I can see two of you are already here, three of you are already here. Drop a hi in the comment section so I know you guys are here and listening to us and ready to check out the Blue Circle Diabetes app overhaul complete. We're going to do a full run through of the app for you today, Madhur and I, and we will show you everything that you need to see and every section of the app that you need to know before you get into it and make the most of it. But now that we've got everyone joining in, let's just start with the basics. Madhur, hi, introduce yourself and then I'll go next.
yeah. So hi all. I'm Madhur. I've been a type 1 diabetic for the last 16 years. Well, I'm saying 16 because it will be it. My diversity is coming up in June. So, but yes, I've been a member of with the Blue Circle Diabetes Foundation since I think since the start. I mean, Nupur can say that for sure. But yeah, I've been using this app quite regularly. I used to use this app quite regularly. Then I stopped using it. Now I'm back to using it again, considering the new features that we are going to discuss as well. So yeah, and also the upcoming features, which will be quite good to know for the tech savvy generation, which I would imagine all of us are these days. So yeah, that's pretty much it from me.
Awesome. So, a little bit about me in case you've not been on any of the previous workshops. I'm Nishtha. I am a type 1.5 or LADA diabetic for the past 10 years. Like Madhur, I too had been using the app for a while and then there was a break. And then now we're in the beta circles testing group as well. So the app that we are going to be showing you, and some of you are already been using it right now. I know for that for a fact. We will show you a little bit about how it got developed also. So basically, this app has been made for people living with diabetes by people living with diabetes. So every single section that we are about to show you in this demonstration overview workshop is because of feedback from people like Madhur and me who live with diabetes and have to use the app to stay updated and stay in touch with what is happening, right? A big reason. So you heard Madhur and me saying that we used to use the app and then there was a gap and then we started using it as beta testers again. So the main one of the main reasons for this is the fact that we've got it's been around for a good 5 years, the older app, right? And like Madhu said, it's the new generation, the more tech savvy generation. As technology progresses and gets better and better, we get a better idea and a more a good grasp on how we can use technology for our diabetes, keeping better track of our diabetes, living healthier lives, keeping our blood sugar levels in control as much as possible. And so the app had to be revamped to bring it up to speed. And kudos to the Blue Circle tech group that's actually brought it up to speed in record time and made it usable, and has put our recommendations to use on the app very, very, very quickly with a great turnaround time, right? So, without
Absolutely.
further ado, shall we get into the app itself
Yes.
and break it down a little bit?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely, Nishtha. I think it's now we can start with what the new Blue Circle app is. I mean, to be fair, there was a session regarding with the old, which was done for the old app. But now with the new updates, making it more Chat GPT friendly. Let's put it that way. So yeah, as you can see on the screen, this is the main menu. This earlier used to be just plain Jane. Now it has got a lot of features that should be good to basically just explore around. Even like during my free time, even I just see like what can we do. As beta testers, we see what can be done to improve. So firstly, this homepage has a lot of interesting features. Firstly, you can see a blood glucose, as you can see on the screen. It whatever it also gives you an opportunity to put in how much food you've had with regards to breakfast, lunch, mid anything in the middle, or even dinner, with a separation of the macros like carbs, proteins, fats. So as you can see on the screen, there's a meal breakdown. So for example, I have had an omelette, for example, or fried eggs, as you can see on the screen. So if I have three fried eggs, then you can see the amount of carbs you have had, the amount of proteins, and the amount of fats you've had. Um, so so basically, you can put in whatever you're going to be having. If you can't exactly get the quantities correct, what you can do is put a picture up of your meal, of your plate, and the app can determine for you basically how much food is present. So if it is say one katori of dal, one katori of eggs, one cup toast, so things like that. um Also with regards also this will be beneficial for people who are this will be beneficial for car counting, because otherwise you have to just do guesswork. This will be like a good opportunity for these kind of new users that uh, don't know basically how much carbs are present, or newly diagnosed patients. I wouldn't say patient, newly diagnosed uh, people around who don't have a rough idea of what basically how much carbs are present, and they'll just go as a random guess. So yeah, so basically the
Madhu, talking about no guesswork and stuff, the one great thing about this is also that you don't have to guess what your estimated blood glucose will be by the end of this meal, because the app actually does the guesswork for you. And uh, right now it's synced to Nupur's most amazing flatline graph, blood glucose graph I've ever seen in my life. So, having one latte, two whole wheat toast, three fried eggs will make sure that, your blood glucose will be at 122 by the end of this meal. So, there is no guesswork involved in that also, which is such a relief for
yeah,
people like me, because I just inhale my food, जो भी सामने आता है बस खा जाती हूँ मैं। ये सोचती नहीं हूँ कि आगे क्या होने
yeah,
वाला है, कितना शुगर बढ़ने वाला है।
yeah,
बट अगर मैंने सपोज मैगी खानी होती है और मैं मैगी डाल देती हूँ और मुझे पता है मेरा ब्लड शुगर 220 हो जाएगा, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ ग्रेट डिटरेंट, मैं नहीं खाऊंगी शायद उसके वजह से। सो देयर यू गो। या लेट्स सी हाउ बैड 100 grams of Maggie could be for this.
63 grams
Ah,
of carbs.
337. See, I mean, इसके बाद तो कोई नहीं खाएगा मैगी मेरे हिसाब से तो।
I mean, they will, but they'll have to probably break it down into quarters now at this rate. Uh, so yeah, so basically, this is what the meal breakdown is. With regards to the photo, the photo has been used at the beginning before as the only way you can basically determine the app used to determine only through the meal photo, but now with this feature with the breakdown you can put in manually, you can put in yourself with regards to how much food you're having. So that's one big improvement over the old app. Secondly, there is insulin with regards to how much insulin you've had over the day. Um, in addition to, and also this, before we move on to the insulin bit, the sugar which you see is based on your ICR and ISF, which has been which will get through on this app. Uh, oh, Snoop is doing it for us. So if you go to the calculator, you'll see your ICR and ISF ratios. They'll be
Madhur, for
explained.
those of us not in the the know, or newly
Yeah.
diagnosed people with diabetes,
Yes. So
can you explain एक बार ये ICR, ये ISF
sure,
क्या
sure,
होता है,
sure,
क्योंकि आप
sure.
मेरे से सीनियर हो डायबिटीज के मामले में।
Yeah, so ICR, I'll go with ICR first. ICR stands for insulin to carb ratio. In plain English, it's basically how many carbs will be how much carbs uh will be needed to break down uh, with 1 unit of insulin. So suppose for example now that her the ICR is 22.7. So if you want to calculate, basically there's a formula for that. Can't remember from the top of my head. I think somebody in the comments will definitely be able to guide. So basically, if I take 1 unit of insulin and I'm having, so suppose I'm having two chapatis, for example, so fulkas, if we, so fulka is 13 grams of carbs. So for that, for 1 gram of for one chapati with this ICR, you don't need to take any insulin at all with because of the fact it's so high, it's pretty good. So if you divide it, basically come to less than 1 unit. Similarly, with ISF, it's called insulin sensitivity factor. So this helps in correction doses. Oh, so it has been put in the chat that to calculate ICR, it's, I think there's some ratio. I think it's 500 divided by total daily dose. So basically that includes your basal as well as your bolus. So if you're taking say 50 units of insulin per day, so if you divide 500 divided by 50, that comes up to 10. So that's your ISF. Sorry, ICR. Sorry, ISF is for ISF, insulin sensitivity factor is basically how much sugar will 1 unit of insulin bring down. So, for example, if your sugar is right now, if you keep your target as say 120, and if suppose even right now my sugar is now 196, so we have to divide and your ISF after calculations, which is mentioned in the chat, it's around, so it's 1700 divided by total daily dose. If you're on uh, normal any other fast acting insulin apart from Actrapid, if it is on Actrapid, then it is 1500. So that's the difference of the formulae you have to keep in mind. So once you divide that, so if so we'll bring that 50 up again. So if it is 1700 divided by 50, so that will be your, whatever it comes up to, that will be your ISF. So 1 unit of insulin will bring your sugar by around that much.
So now that, like, it's a little clear what ICR and ISF stand for, I'll tell you guys one amazing thing. ये बहुत confusing लगता है starting में, लेकिन like Blue Circle Diabetes app में you can simply punch in your numbers, and वो ऊपर जो calculate your ISF and ICR button है, उसमें एक बार आप अपना डेली डोज ऑफ इंसुलिन, आप कितना डेली डोज ले रहे हो, और ये भी बता दो कि अगर आप कौन सा बोलस इंसुलिन ले रहे हो, तो ये ऐप आपके लिए नॉट ओनली कैलकुलेट करके रखेगा, बट आप जो इसके बाद खाना वगैरह डाल रहे हैं या अपना ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल्स डाल रहे हैं, तो उस हिसाब से कैलकुलेट करके आपको आपका प्रोजेक्टेड ब्लड ग्लूकोज शुगर या आपको कितना इंसुलिन लेना चाहिए, ये सब कैलकुलेट करके एक टाइम पे आपको बताएगा, राइट? सो इट्स ग्रेट
Correct.
टू हैव दिस कैलकुलेटर, और आपका स्टैंड लाइक आपका बेसलाइन बना रहेगा कॉन्स्टेंटली। श्योर, अगर आप आपका टीडीडी बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लक्चुएट होता है, तो आप वापस आकर ये ऐप में अपना आईएसएफ और आईसीआर स्कोर फिक्स कर सकते हैं, और आपको इतनी मैच करने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ने वाली है। सो वंस
नहीं.
यू फिक्स दिस, आप अपना इंसुलिन डोज डालना शुरू कर सकते हैं। एंड ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए, सो दैट क्या हो जाता है कि बिफोर दिस ऐप, जब मैं डायग्नोज हुई थी, तो तब से मैं ना एक एक्सेल शीट मेंटेन कर रही हूँ, हर दिन मैं कितना इंसुलिन ले रही हूँ, क्योंकि कभी कभी बहुत वाइल्डली फ्लक्चुएट भी करता है और डिफरेंशिएट भी होता है कि कितना इंसुलिन ले रही हूँ। एक ऐसा सेंट्रलाइज जगह कभी था नहीं जहाँ पे मैं एक ट्रैक रख सकूँ, टिल आई फाउंड द ऐप ऑफ कोर्स, एंड वेर आई कुड जस्ट कीप माई माइंड फ्री अबाउट इट। लेट मी शो यू कि आप अपने इंसुलिन डोजेस कैसे इसमें फीड कर सकते हैं, कि आपने कितने यूनिट्स लिए हुए हैं, राइट? वापस आप होम पे जाएंगे, एक बार आपने जब कर दिया है, ऊपर है ना आपके सबसे मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स है यहाँ पे। एक पर्सन जो डायबिटीज के साथ रहता है, उसे क्या क्या चीजें चाहिए रहती है। आप अपना ब्लड ग्लूकोज पहचान लो कितना है, आपने आज क्या खाया है और क्या खाने वाले हो, और उस हिसाब से आपको कितनी इंसुलिन लेनी चाहिए, और आपने कितनी इंसुलिन ले रखी है, और आपने कितना एक्सरसाइज किया है। तो ये जो हेडर्स है, ये ऑलरेडी सॉर्टेड है आपके लिए। यू कैन सिंपली एक्सेस इट विद वन क्लिक एंड फिगर इट आउट। अभी आप समझ लीजिए, आपने डिसाइड कर ही लिया है कि आप मैगी खाना चाहते हो, और आपने जितना इंसुलिन लेना है इसके लिए, यू कैन सिंपली क्लिक ऑन ऐड। यू कैन से मैं बोलस लेना चाहता हूँ या लेना चाहती हूँ, मैंने 8 यूनिट इंसुलिन लिया हुआ है, एंड ये कौन सा वाला इंसुलिन लिया हुआ है। अगर आपने रैपिड एक्टिंग लिया हुआ है, तो आप वो मेंशन कर सकते हैं, तो उस हिसाब से बाय द वे ऐप ये भी कैलकुलेट करके आपको बता सकता है कि आपका पीक कब कब था और कब आने वाला है। सो यू जस्ट पुट दैट इन, एंड से यू टेकन लाइक फोर फोर मील्स के लिए 4 बार आपने इंसुलिन लिया हुआ और एक बार बेसल लिया हुआ है, तो ये सब ट्रैक होगा। तो आपको कभी भी ये सोचने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी कि कल मैंने मेरा टीडीडी कितना था, कितना इंसुलिन लिया हुआ था मैंने। ये सब आपके लिए प्रीवियस डे पे लॉग होता रहेगा, एंड यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट राइटिंग इट डाउन ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर, जैसे पुराने जमाने में कितने सारे लोग करते थे, या हमारा प्री ऐप जनरेशन जो एक्सेल शीट बना के रखता था, वो आपको करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ने वाली है। द सेम वे आप अपना ब्लड ग्लूकोज भी ट्रैक कर सकते हो ऐप के अंदर, सो दैट आप eventually you can see how much your blood glucose levels have been, and your insulin use has been, what meals you've been having. But Madhur, walk us through the exercise bit first, and then we'll go back to the home page, explain the blood glucose, the charts, all of it.
So yeah, so if we go to the so we can record exercises. यहाँ पे exercises आप क्या आपने क्या किया है? So if you have gone to the gym, for example, or you have done some any form of cardio, yoga, swimming, uh, hi- if you have gone for a trek, if you have done any form of exercise which is present in this in this list, basically you can just put it in, and ये क्या करता है कि इट विल जस्ट गिव यू, इट विल हेल्प यू इन, बेसिकली आपको अगर इफ यू आर हैविंग अ मील आफ्टर दिस, आफ्टर सच अ वर्कआउट, बेसिकली इट विल जस्ट गिव यू अ बिट ऑफ अ हेल्पिंग हैंड कि तुमको थोड़ा कम लेना पड़ेगा कंपेयर टू यूजुअल. One more thing I forgot to mention in the meal part, there is a feature where you can get a 2 hour report of your sugars, as well as basically kitna aapka what is your, what it feels ki you should do later on. So if possible, can we go to the meal part please again? I just want to show something. So there is an option. If you have put say um, if you put say chapatis or any form of meal, for example, and this and basically you can get a report on it. So just if you say something three, one chapati and three eggs, for example, that's pretty much, or just one chapati for now. If I had to say, if agar the only thing you'll have to do is just remember to put it in before you have your meal. Um, so So if you have so you can see there's an option called as view post meal report. Yeah, this will activate after 2 hours. The app will keep giving you reminders after every say 15 minutes. I think it will get to a basically a report. It will give you a small detailed information about your meal and your sugar. So before kitna tha, after kitna hua after meal. So yeah, that's and exercise तो अभी बोल दिया कि we can put whatever exercise you have done throughout the day, and you can just put it in. थोड़ा इनपुट देना पड़ेगा ऐप को. यू कांट जस्ट थिंक कि अरे इसको सब कुछ he'll just remember everything. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. You have to put it in manually. um,
ये तो
Before we
थोड़ा
move on,
प्रोएक्टिविटी करना ही
yeah,
पड़ता है, बिकॉज ऐप हो चाहे आप लिख रहे हो कहीं पे, ये
hmm,
आपके हाथ में है कि आपको कितना ट्रैक करना है, कितना ट्रैक नहीं
correct,
करना है, राइट?
correct. So before we move on, there are a few questions in the chat. I'll ask and Nishay can answer them. So Harish
यस सर.
Kumar Dhuri is asking 1800 for rapid insulin. So this is
आई
with
आई थिंक
regards to
या
the calculation for
टीडीडी.
ISF. Yeah, TDD.
ये
Yeah.
आई थिंक दिस इज रेगुलर या एक्टर रैपिड के लिए तो मेरे हिसाब से 1500 ही है.
1500 डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल
यस.
डेली डोज. सो टोटल डेली डोज में क्या रहता है कि टोटल रैपिड इंसुलिन सिर्फ इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, उसमें बेसल इंसुलिन भी इंक्लूडेड है. सो अगर आप टोटल मिला के 60 यूनिट्स लेते हो तो बेसिकली वो आपका टोटल डेली डोज हो गया. इट इज एन एवरेज. वो एक एवरेज है. अगर आप 2-3 दिन का एवरेज लेते हो, अगर 60 यूनिट्स आता है तो आप वो ले सकते हैं. अगर एक हफ्ते का एवरेज वो है तो आप वो ले सकते हैं. इट्स अप टू यू. सो रैपिड इंसुलिन का रैपिड इंसुलिन ओनली इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड. इट इज इंक्लूड्स बेसल इंसुलिन आल्सो. अगर आपका, आई होप हरीश जी आपका ये डाउट क्लियर हो गया होगा. सो एक और सवाल है राजेश जी का, शुगर लेवल्स कैसे चेक करने हैं. हम आ रहे उस पे अभी. वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू डिस्कस दैट नाउ.
सो
आई थिंक निश्चय कैन कीप गोइंग.
एक या एक शॉर्ट में वी कैन एक्सप्लेन द बीजी बिट. राजेश, जो ये ऐप है इसमें आपका ब्लड शुगर लेवल लॉग होगा बाया योर स्कैनर ऑन योर लाइक लिब्रे, और द लिब्रे दैट यू वेयर. सो उसके लिए आपको अपना ऐप उसके साथ सिंक करना पड़ेगा. ये ऐप आपके लिए डायरेक्टली लाइक शुगर चेक नहीं कर पाएगा एग्जैक्टली exactly. तो आपको उस पर बेसिकली सब लॉग रखना होगा उस पर.
एक और है कि आप लॉग भी कर सकते हैं मैन्युअली. अगर आप ग्लिम्प से रीडिंग्स ले रहे हो तो आप वो रीडिंग्स इसमें डाल के बेसिकली आपको एक ग्राफ भी दिखेगा.
हम आपको बताएंगे सिंक कैसे करना है इन अ बिट.
करेक्ट. सीजीएम से कैसे सिंक करना है वो आपको बताएंगे बाद में. बट अगर मैन्युअली, अगर आपके पास सीजीएम नहीं है, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपके पास सिर्फ लिब्रे या लिब्रे प्रो तो नहीं बोल सकता अभी, बट लिब्रे है, ऐसा कोई या फिर आप ग्लूकोमीटर पे अभी भी हो, तो आप बेसिकली रिकॉर्ड इसमें रख सकते हैं. आपको ग्लूकोमीटर में मेमोरी की ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आपके इस ऐप में सब कुछ हो जाएगा. सो अभी अभी हम आ ही गए सीजीएम पे, तो नाउ विल जस्ट डिस्कस हाउ वी कैन सिंक देम. So there are three ways of syncing. So one is through the if you are using the CGM, if you are using a Libre with Glimp only. So Glimp say you can basically use these instructions on the screen right now for Glimp. So बेसिकली आपको सेटिंग्स में जाके यू हैव टू गो टू क्लाउड, एंड क्लाउड में जो लिंक ऊपर दिया है यू हैव टू कॉपी दैट लिंक एंड पेस्ट इट इन दैट बॉक्स, एंड बेसिकली ये जो instructions there, they're very simple to understand. And basically you can just sync your glimp to the Blue Circle Diabetes app. So आपको अलग से आपको रीडिंग्स डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आपने ग्लिम्प पे अपने शुगर्स चेक किए तो ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल जस्ट कम बैक, इट विल जस्ट सिंक टू द Blue Circle app. Second way is through with Meow Meow, which I am using. So there are two apps for that. So one is Tomato, and which is what the company recommends sometimes, I don't know why. And the second app is Sugar. So there's a separate for Sugar, which I was quite keen on getting the data sync for. But so these are two different apps which you can use. The only thing, I'll be frank, is Sugar just updated their app with with a subscription. अगर आपको पैसा खर्च करने का शौक नहीं है तो आई वुड नॉट रिकमेंड यू गो फॉर इट. बट अगर इफ इट्स नॉट टू एक्सपेंसिव, इट्स आई थिंक 799 फॉर अ ईयर. So it's a it's a 1 year subscription, then you have to repay again. So basically उसमें सारे आपको शुगर्स, आपका ग्राफ, ये सब कुछ दिखेगा, and also notifications on your phone, etc. Because, and similar to the Tomato also has a subscription, but mostly जो आपको मेन चीजें चाहिए with regards to say sugars, they can be done on the and also with regards to sharing it to your caregivers, or anybody who's basically caregivers के अगर शेयर करना होगा तो you can basically do that. So I think probably it is best to that कि ये जिस आप स्क्रीन पे जो दिखाया है, it's probably the best way to give a demo कि कैसे आपको प्रोसीजर क्या है. It's in pictorial form, so आपको समझने में आसानी होगी. There should not be any problems with regards to these kind of things. So basically,
Nupur mentions that the things Tomato needs a paid subscription for, we do that for free on the Blue Circle Diabetes app, which is great. जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हो कि मतलब ब्लड शुगर लेवल से लेकर रिपोर्ट्स तक, आपका एस्टिमेटेड A1C लेवल से लेकर आप टाइम इन रेंज कितना आपने किया है, वो सब आपको एक ही ऐप में मिल रहा है. एंड बाय द वे, वी आर नॉट डन येट. देयर आर लाइक अ बंच ऑफ न्यू फीचर्स, इंक्लूडिंग द फॉलो फीचर. जैसे मधुर बता रहा था कि अगर आपके किसी लव्ड वंस को आपका ट्रैक रखना है तो वो भी कर सकते हैं यही ऐप के थ्रू. ऑल यू नीड टू डू, जैसे राजेश ने पहले पूछा, बट शुगर कैसे लॉग होगा, राइट? सो दो तरीके हैं इन शॉर्ट शुगर लॉग करने के. यू कैन आइदर sync your CGM via Tomato, Sugar और Meow Meow. और अगर आप अगर आप यूज कर रहे हो ग्लूकोमीटर तो आप मैनुअली अपना लेवल जिसमें ट्रैक कर सकते हैं, राइट? अब जब हम वापस होम पेज पे आ गए तो लेट मी जस्ट शो यू अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट दिस. क्योंकि पहले अगर आप ऐप खोलते हो और लॉग इन करते हो तो आपको पहली चीज ये दिखाई देगी यहाँ पे, ठीक है? सो आपको यहाँ पे इमीडिएटली आपका जो ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल है एट द मोमेंट जो आपने ट्रैक किया है या आपका सिंक के थ्रू आया है, वो आपको दिखाई देगा. 99, वेरी गुड Nupur, दिस इज ग्रेट. दिस इज ग्रेट ऑन द वे.
You are making us jealous.
very jealous every single time. So also आपने रैपिड एक्टिंग आपका कितना एक्टिव है करंटली आपके बॉडी में, आपने कितने मील्स का कितना मैक्रोस एक दिन में कंज्यूम किया है अभी तक. 15 grams of carb, 3 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat. It's great. आपका मिनिमम बीजी क्या था, आपका मैक्सिमम बीजी क्या था, ये सब आपको यहाँ पे पता चलेगा, इंक्लूडिंग योर स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन ऑल्सो, जो आपका डिविएशन हो रहा है फ्रॉम योर रेगुलर ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल. जो टाइम इन रेंज है, मेरे हिसाब से मधुर, मैंने ना बहुत रिसेंटली ये चीज़ डिस्कवर की है कि आपके A1C से ज़्यादा आपको आपका टाइम इन रेंज बता सकता है.
टाइम इन रेंज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
सो इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप एग्जैक्टली कितना टाइम, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, लोग कहते हैं कि हाँ 2 घंटे बाद हम लोग चेक कर लेंगे शुगर, और शुगर एकदम मस्त नॉर्मल इश आना शुरू हो जाता है। लेकिन आप कितना स्पाइक किए, बिकॉज आज आपने डिसाइड किया आप छोले भटूरे खाने वाले हो, तो आप उसकी वजह से आपने कितना स्पाइक किया डिस्पाइट योर इंसुलिन, आप कितने टाइम तक खाए थे, वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस में लाइक मेक करता है इसमें। सो टू चेक इफ दैट यूर आपका इन रेंज टाइम 70 to 80% है, is beautiful, right? 15% in hyper and 11% in hypo, as you can see Nupur का है, it's great, these are great numbers, right? तो आपको ये भी पता चलेगा कि आप exactly कितना डिसिप्लिन में खा रहे हैं, एक्सरसाइज कितना डिफरेंस मेक कर रहा है आपका, ऑल ऑफ दैट। लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स A1C लेवल्स तो A1C लेवल्स है ही, आपको तो ये पता करना ही है कि आपका 3 मंथ एवरेज क्या है। ये ऐप पे आप जितना डेटा फीड करेंगे रेगुलरली, the more better the accuracy of your A1C reports can be. Of course, you will have to go and do it in a lab also, but this is a great way to find out what your A1C levels look like. आपका 1 month का, 3 months का, 1 week तक का A1C estimated आपको पता चल सकता है। So if you need a course correction कि last महीने ना festivals थे या बहुत सारी शादियां थी घर में, तो we went a little crazy and we were having a lot of stuff, boom, next time it's time to like fix it completely, right? और ये सब अगर आपको
Yeah,
रिपोर्ट में चाहिए, तो एक सिंपल बटन है यहाँ पे, नीड अ रिपोर्ट, जस्ट
need a
क्लिक ऑन द
report.
रिपोर्ट,
Correct.
नीड अ रिपोर्ट बटन, एंड आप ये भी डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि आपको लास्ट 1 वीक के रिपोर्ट्स चाहिए, 2 वीक्स या 3 वीक्स, राइट? सो वंस यू क्लिक ऑन दैट, आपको आपके ईमेल एड्रेस जो आपने एसोसिएट किया है ये ऐप के साथ, उसमें आपको डायरेक्टली मिल जाएगा। So that's a great way of like figuring out without even scrolling. एक झटके में आपको इतना सारा information एक साथ totally मिल जाएगा in this app. What do you think, Madhur?
Yeah, that's probably in addition, that's also very great that there's so many great, कितने सारे अच्छे चीजें हैं इसमें कि बेसिकली यू कैन ऑल्सो सी, अगर आपको मील रिकॉर्ड नहीं करना है बट यू वांट टू सी कि कार्ब कितना है, देयर इज अ बॉक्स जस्ट बिलो द रिपोर्ट कॉल्ड कार्ब काउंटर, where you can just put in your food item and just search कि कितना carbs है आपके, कितना उसका macro dis forget the word, उसका distribution कैसा है, and below that you can also see a graphs of for 3 hours, 6 hours and 24 hours. uh, there you go. So as you can see on the screen, and basically 6 hours का आपका ग्राफ कैसा था and over the course of 1 day आपका कैसा था, man. um, so yeah, so basically इसका breakdown, uh, bread, so you can, this is just a searching thing, you don't have, I mean आप अलग से ऐड भी कर सकते हो उसको, basically this will just give you information and it will give you कि it standard value it takes is 100 grams basically, अगर if you're say taking one कटोरी of say dal, उसका कितना आएगा, that will be roughly accurate with
You
regards
know,
to
this feature has been such a lifesaver जब मैं बाहर जाती हूँ खाना वगैरह खाने अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ। मुझे इमीडिएटली ऐड नहीं करना है ये सब, मैं मेन्यू अभी देख रही हूँ और मुझे पता नहीं है व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी गुड फॉर मी, एंड इफ माई शुगर
correct.
लेवल्स आर ओके, आज क्या मैं थोड़ा बहुत चीट कर सकती हूँ, सो आई एक्चुअली पुट दिस इन टू सी व्हाट माई एस्टिमेटेड ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल्स आर गोइंग टू बी आफ्टर अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, ताकि मैं डिसाइड कर पाऊँ। तो दिस इज अ ग्रेट वे, लाइक मधुर सेड कि आप फूड तो लॉग कर ही सकते हैं अलग से, लेकिन आप इस पे जल्दी से चेक भी कर सकते हैं कि क्या कितना कार्ब्स काउंट हो सकता है आपके लिए।
Yes, and in addition, there is an AI bot called Ask Nupur.
माय
Yeah,
फेवरेट।
it's yeah. uh, basically, we are thinking of a name for it. Uh, well, my recommendation was Diabot based on the Diabox app. But so basically, it is an AI helping tool for you. Basically, it will just give you some information on anything diabetes related. मतलब अगर आपको कोई सवाल है आपके दिमाग में, और अगर आपको लगता है कि ऐप आपका वो सवाल सॉल्व कर सकता है, देन बेसिकली अभी अभी पूछा है कि इस पनीर गुड फॉर यू, basically it will give you the answer in such a way that it will be easier to understand, as well as आप उसमें क्या क्या additions, क्या क्या deductions, क्या क्या निकाल सकते हो उसमें से. So for example, if you're going outside, or if you just say कि अरे मुझे बटर चिकन खाना है, for example बटर चिकन with butter roti, then you can just put in is you can either put it in the carb counter search box कि उसमें आपको कितने carbs मिलेंगे, या फिर you can ask here whether it is good or bad. I wouldn't say it's good or bad, but you just be careful with regards to these kind of um, things. And also it will give you information about different types of insulin that even you have never heard about. It will give you information on types of diabetes you have never heard about. Like for example, Nishtha ka hai Lada. If you haven't never heard about it, it will give you information like it will give you information on modi type diabetes. It will give you information on type C type 3C type diabetes. So it will give you this kind of informations um,
And it won't give you any
on a
information about random other things like Nupur asked, will it rain
weather.
today? नहीं सॉरी, उसके लिए आपको गूगल यूज करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन ये आपका इनबिल्ट गूगल है अबाउट डायबिटीज इनसाइड दिस ऐप, सो आपको और कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. एक चीज हम लोग
Correct.
काफी टाइम से डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि सब इंफॉर्मेशन डायबिटीज रिलेटेड एक जगह पे होना जरूरी क्यों है. ये एआई बॉट बताता है कि क्यों एग्जैक्टली इतना जरूरी है. बिकॉज अगर आपको हाइपर हो रहा है या आपको हाइपो हो रहा है एंड यू नीड इंफॉर्मेशन, और even more importantly, god forbid koi, if there is a situation, there's an emergency situation, your loved ones will know exactly where to go to find all information that is required to be relayed to your doctors, or to anybody who's about to help. आपका सारा इंफॉर्मेशन सेंट्रलाइज्ड रहेगा, एक जगह पे रहेगा. आपके सवाल एक जगह पे रहेंगे, जवाब एक जगह पे रहेंगे. इंसुलिन, खाना, ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल्स, एस्टिमेशन, रिपोर्ट्स इज ऑल इन वन प्लेस. 50 और एप्स यूज करके आपका इंफॉर्मेशन स्कैटर करने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी आपको इसमें. सो ये एआई बॉट से आप सवाल वगैरह पूछिए, डायबिटीज़ रिलेटेड एनीथिंग, क्या खाना अच्छा है, क्या खाना बुरा है, ये टाइप की डायबिटीज़ क्या है, ये टाइप की डायबिटीज़ के लिए क्या खा सकती हूँ, क्या नहीं खा सकती हूँ, कितना इंसुलिन लेना चाहिए, कितना इंसुलिन नहीं लेना चाहिए, ऑल ऑफ दैट कैन बी आंसर्ड. बट स्पीकिंग ऑफ लाइक सेंट्रलाइजिंग योर इंफॉर्मेशन इन वन प्लेस, हमने लास्ट महीने एक और चीज़ के बारे में डिस्कस किया था ऑन वन ऑफ दीज वर्कशॉप्स, was the fact that women who live with diabetes, menstruators who live with diabetes, unka there is a whole different problem that we need to deal with, right? Apart from the fact that हमें ये देखना पड़ता है कि हम क्या खा रहे हैं या हमें कितना इंसुलिन यूज करना है and stuff like that, we also have to keep an eye out on hormonal changes. We need to track our period. We need to also get information on when our next period could be, क्योंकि उसके 3-4 दिन पहले हमें हमारा बेसल बढ़ाना पड़ता है बिकॉज ऑफ इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस. आई एम नॉट सेइंग सबको होता है, बट काफ़ी सारे लोग जो पीरियड्स और डायबिटीज़ के साथ जी रहे हैं, वी नीड टू कीप एन आई आउट ऑन दिस. इट बिकम्स इवन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज our usage of insulin greatly varies. Our food habits greatly vary around this time. So what you can do, if you are living with diabetes and you menstruate, कि यही ऐप के अंदर इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्राइंग टू रिमेंबर मेरा लास्ट पीरियड कब था, मेरा एस्टिमेट करूँ मेरा नेक्स्ट पीरियड कब है, यू कैन एक्चुअली पुट दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इनसाइड दिस ऐप. सो नॉट ओनली विल द ऐप टेल यू कि आपका नेक्स्ट पीरियड कब है, but it will also send you a notification 2 or 3 days in advance that hey, maybe you want to increase your basal by just a little bit at this point of time. And that is so important to keeping your blood glucose levels in order, because किसी का 200 300 के नीचे नहीं आता है अगर आप अपना बेसल डोज like adjust नहीं करो on time. So for people living with diabetes and menstruating, please try this feature out also. ये फीचर भी जो जो हम लोगों के ही recommendation की वजह से like we've decided to put this in. It's going to be extremely important for everyone, right? Madhur, all yours. Let's talk about the recipe bit, because मुझे अभी 5:30 बजे लगी है भूख.
So yeah, so basically recipes का एक टैब है with regards to अगर आपको अभी जैसे निष्ठा ने बोला कि उसको भूख लगी है, so she can basically go to that page recipes का and she can find some brilliant low carb solutions for basically things that we like. अभी किसी ने तो पोहा बनाया है for example through different types of using a different type of instead of using poha she has used something else. There's many different low carb options and उसका prep time भी कम है, जिसका prep time कम है, cooking time कम है, you can view the recipes and create them yourself also. So anything basically it is, so you can see कि अभी ये low carb rotated cucumber raita, this is very easy to make. उसका
Sounds
कार्ब काउंट भी
delicious.
कम. It does sound delicious and you can basically see कि क्या क्या उसमें ingredients है, उसकी रेसिपी, उसके क्या क्या उसको क्या क्या steps करने पड़ेंगे to make it. So these are some of the recipes which we can make ourselves, and basically the app is giving you some recommendations of कि भाई तुम ये करो. Now you can see low carb pancakes. Who doesn't like pancakes here? Suggesting my Nishta's movements. So yeah, basically you can just use these. So people have made these kind of substitute meals to basically the things that we all love, and you can use them to, and you can also create your own if you want. अगर आपने for example अभी लो कार्ब आइस पॉप्सिकल्स, कंसिडरिंग इट्स समर, एंड अगर आइसक्रीम से आपकी शुगर बढ़ती है फॉर एग्जांपल, सो you can basically just use this recipe, or we can upload this recipe and let the others enjoy and along with yourself. So that's
Yes, guys,
one
please put
thing.
in your recipes. Help all of us out. We are all looking for low carb meal ideas, and ये recipe वाला जो section है, it's just brilliant. It also gives you macros, by the way, जो आपने ingredients डाले हैं, उसको calculate करके उसमें कितने grams carbs हैं, कितने grams proteins हैं, fats कितना है, उसका breakdown भी ऐप by the way automatically दे देगा आपको, so you don't have to worry about that also. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आज मेरा प्रोटीन कोटा खत्म नहीं हुआ है, you can look for a low carb high protein recipe from this app only and then simply go on making it. The best part is I think most of these recipes जो मैं देख चुकी हूँ ये app में और use कर चुकी हूँ, they are all like very easy to prepare. I don't think it takes very long to prepare any of these, so it's great because when you are hungry you are hungry, like there's not much you can do
Yeah.
except popsicle freeze करने को तो लग ही जाएगा थोड़ा 1-2 घंटा, but that's okay. That's the only exception that we are willing to make with this
Yeah, yeah,
uh, thing, right? Um,
yeah,
let's see. There is, by the way, जैसे मधुर बता रहा था पहले that we also like the app will also let followers. There's a very easy to use followers button later that you can use, that you can get your loved ones to keep an eye out on your sugar levels and what meals you've been eating, how much insulin you've been having, and all of
yeah,
that. It's also great for parents of children who are maybe in school or just newly diagnosed. So that's a great way of keeping tabs as well, right?
yeah. So so before we so one last thing, there are a few things to know as well, but one of the more important features is the Buddy Project helpline. So diabetes is not just a physical condition; it's a mental condition as well. So you have इतना mental gymnastics करना पड़ता है with regards to management, कि कब खाना है, उसके बाद का क्या होगा, उसके बाद basically you have to think 2 hours in advance, 2-3 hours in advance कि क्या, what your schedule is going to be. So for newly diagnosed people, getting getting basically sharing your distress with others who have gone through all this. So basically this, you can book an appointment, you can have a 15-20 minute conversation with them. They'll share their experiences for your benefit. And basically they'll be, and it's not just diabetics, there are caregivers, there are parents of a diabetic. So there are just people who are willing to help a newly diagnosed or others who are going through a bit of a mental struggle through because of diabetes. So to book an appointment, you just see कि आपको किसके साथ लेनी है. So there are people like Snehal who are working in a corporate job along with managing diabetes. So you can, so if अगर corporate kit अगर if you're working and diabetes manage नहीं हो रहा है, then you can contact her. There are people who have been living with so for example there's Ruchika who is married and has a family as well while being a diabetic. So if you have any issues with regards to pregnancy and diabetes, you can contact her, for example. Or there are others who are basically doc this for example, people have lived abroad and they can't manage sugars abroad. So there are people like Madhura Damle, who lives in the States. So she's one of the best people who can help with regards to how to manage sugars abroad, how to manage your sugars in say the U where she lives in. I think she lives in Texas, where there are winters are which are very cold and summers which are very hot. So उस time में temperature fluctuations की वजह से कैसे sugars handle करते हैं. She has experience of that also. So
So
yeah,
yeah,
basically you
basically,
can.
yeah, everyone, if you've got a specific question about your specific type of diabetes, आपको 100% बड़ी project helpline पे um, you know responsible people मिलेंगे जिनसे आप ये बात कर सकते हैं, अपने questions वगैरह पूछ सकते हैं. The best part is it's completely free, so it's a volunteer project. You can just go book a slot with them and just show up on the app, and you'll get instructions on how to join the call and उनसे बात कैसे कर सकते हैं. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली जो आप अपने स्क्रीन पे अभी आप देख रहे हैं, ये जो ऐप के फीचर्स आप देख रहे हैं और सोच रहे हैं वाओ ये तो मुझे चाहिए था, ये एग्जैक्टली मुझे यही चाहिए था एक जगह पे अपना शुगर्स और डायबिटीज़ मैनेज करने के लिए, ये हुआ है फीडबैक के वजह से. देयर हैज़ बीन अ ग्रुप ऑफ बीटा टेस्टर्स जो ये ऐप यूज़ कर रहे हैं. हम सिर्फ यूज़ नहीं, हम उसको तोड़ मरोड़ के सब कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं उसके साथ, ताकि ये जब आप यूज़ करें तो आपको बिल्कुल प्रॉब्लम ना हो ये ऐप यूज़ करने में. लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स अगर आपके पास कोई स्पेसिफिक फीडबैक है, कोई फीचर आप चाहते हो यूज़ करना, आप अगर कुछ बताना चाहते हो कि ये थोड़ा बेटर हो सकता है, या सिर्फ अगर आप ब्लू सर्कल को बताना चाहते हो हाउ अमेजिंग दिस ऐप इज़, you can use the feedback section on the app and put in your thoughts. And Nupur call pe nahi hai, lekin I promise you Nupur will always read all your messages and give you like a reply about this. And this is important, so please give us your feedback and we'll be great at it.
Yeah. Also, that we'll talk about
Oh
some
yeah,
features that
the
are.
butter chicken question that I think somebody Akanksha
Yeah,
asked.
Akanksha
Yeah,
asked.
so Madhu, you want to take this?
Yeah, I will, of course. So I'll get to the question first. So she's asking, if I say butter chicken, will I have to be specific about the quantity to be consumed, or will ask Nupur give a response to approx quantity? Firstly, quantity तो डालनी पड़ेगी. अगर quantity नहीं डाली तो AI confuse हो जाएगा कि तुमको चाहिए क्या. Plus butter chicken बोल के, I mean, it will just it will keep asking you कि तुम्हारा quantity कितना है with regards to butter chicken. So you have to be specific. I mean, anyways, अगर आप एक कटोरी ले रहे हो, then it's better कि you directly just put it in the meal tab कि कितना बटर चिकन एक कटोरी में है. Or you can just put carb counter में देख के you can just put into it some amount of butter chicken and take a just search yourself. So you can see on the screen कि 5 grams of carbs, 15 grams of protein, 20 grams of fats. Not necessarily कि जो होटल में आप जा रहे हो उसका बटर चिकन रेसिपी सेम रहेगा, but this is just a rough estimation. ठीक है. Ultimately it's up to you to decide कि कितना आपको carbs, मतलब this will be a helping guide for you. It's not
The
specific
great
कि.
thing is, Madhur, that what Nupur just did. इंस्टेड अगर आपको पता नहीं है आप 100 ग्राम्स कितना होगा अप्रोक्सीमेटली ये वो, बट अगर आप देख रहे हैं कि एक कटोरी में ऑलरेडी फिल्ड आउट है बटर चिकन, तो आप ये कार्ब काउंटर में यू कैन एक्चुअली पुट इन 1 कटोरी बटर चिकन एंड वो आपके लिए कटोरी का एस्टिमेट भी निकाल लेगा। तो आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि वेइंग स्केल लेके बैठ जाना है कि पता करूं कि मैं इसमें मैं 100 ग्राम चावल खा रही हूँ या मैं 100 ग्राम बटर चिकन खा रही हूँ। You can simply add in 1 katori rice or 1 katori butter chicken and you'll get a rough estimate. It's not going to be exact, but हो
exactly the
सकता है आपने
same.
एकदम टॉप अप कर दिया हो या स्लाइटली कम रखा हो, बट इट्स ग्रेट। एंड लाइक नूपुर मेंशन दैट ये बात आज नूपुर को पूछने की जगह डायरेक्टली कार्ब काउंटर में डालेंगे तो आपको मोर एक्यूरेट इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगा। हाँ,
It
अगर
will be
आपको
very.
जानना है कि बटर चिकन अच्छा है कि नहीं आपके लिए, तो आप वो पूछ लो आज नूपुर से, नूपुर बता देगी आपको, I'm sure.
So with regards to, I mean, इस ऐप से और क्या expectations है? um, Basically this is what the app is currently right now, but there is scope for improvement. ऐसा नहीं कि this app will be fully, it's like a piece of cake or basically a croissant, for example. It's in the microwave oven stage, but it's in the later parts of the oven or baking process. So to get it fully completed, basically feedback to hai hi, but there are some features which we feel as beta testers ki these features will be important for us, as basically we feel that these are important for you to be using. So firstly, there could be an update with regards to syncing with Google Fit. So basically, agar aap, so basically you're using Strava, for example, for recording workouts. Okay, so basically what it will do is that if your Strava app is linked to your Google Fit, then it will basically, and your Google Fit is linked to your Blue Circle Diabetes app, then basically it will be like a bridge. So Strava said direct, so basically it can record your exercise for you. Similarly, for people on iOS, I know a lot of us are, including myself. I think even Nishta is, I would imagine. So for them, it's the same way as with Apple Health. So I use Strava. Basically, I combine Strava with Apple Health. So basically, Apple Health has all my most recent workouts, everything. So once this feature comes in, I can just literally put. I don't need to put in मैंने exercise क्या किया है for the day. It will automatically record it for you, and basically it will be much easier to record to basically take insulins with regards to that exercise which you have done. Um, I don't know whether I have seen a home screen. Basically, Android users का Blue Circle app मैंने देखा नहीं है. I don't remember seeing one. But there is a feature. There's
Widget.
a home screen
Yeah.
widget for Android
Yeah.
users which will be coming soon. Uh, I can't give you an exact timeline because I don't even know. But yeah, so for Android users, there will be a home screen which I think it will be similar to this. For which you can see on iOS, it will be similar to that, which will be coming soon. So basically, Android users also now can start using this app very regularly. Um, so with regards to with so basically what we have all discussed in this app with in today's session is the Blue Circle Diabetes app has come leaps and bounds since the last time we used it. I'll be frank, and basically the features that you can see on the screen is basically before I wouldn't have even heard about these features that कि ऐसा है ऐसा था ऐसा हो सकता है and it has been an unbelievable it has been unbelievable to see the Blue Circle app being this modernized, more AI centric, and basically for helping for newly diagnosed. So before we come, because as we are coming to the end of this session, for people in the live, I would highly recommend कि कोई सवाल होगा जो you want to ask now, बेझिझक होके पूछिए. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी एम्बैरेसिंग यू. अगर आपको कोई भी सवाल है, कोई भी एनी क्वेश्चन, you can just ask right now, or if you want you can just like we said, ask Nupur on the app. uh,
This is
so
why that's the best name to keep. I don't even think that this name should be changed. Ask Kapoor is the best name.
yeah, I mean, because I think Nupur was asking me for a recommendation for the name. I gave it as a Diabot based on the Diabox app, which people sometimes people do use for extending the Libre sensor. So I thought कि चलो Diabot ही रखते हैं. But if Nupur is crying in the
No,
chat.
Nupur, this is consensus is still ask Nupur. वैसे भी आप चेंज तो किए नहीं हो लास्ट टाइम से भी लास्ट टाइम के वर्कशॉप के बाद से. I think we are used to it now. We're just calling it that, right?
Uh, yeah, so
Akansha has asked a question. We use it, Android users. It just tends to skip the login page necessary to login, or can we just start using it? Asking as we need reports later on. If you're having an
uh,
issue with the login bit of the app, I think you can report this to the team and they'll have a look at it because obviously it's going to be better for you to get your reports once your email is added to your account. And even if you decide to like change phones or reinstall the app for any reason, a login is definitely going to be useful. So if there is like skipping issues and all of that, there you go. Oh, there you go. See, if
yeah,
you won't need to log in each time, right, Madhu?
you don't need to log in. You only need to log in once. Once you have registered and you have put it once you have done the registration and once you have put in your login details and password, then you don't need to log in again. Basic until the time you suddenly remember कि मुझे sign out करना था for some odd reason. Then you can think यार चलो then you can log in again. But till then you don't need to log in. Just click, just tap the app icon and you'll be in. No problems whatsoever. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. From if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate in asking. I hope you had a great. I hope your I hope your knowledge pool has been filled a lot more now with regards to the app. So with this, we would like to thank everyone for joining the session. I'll just give you a short recap of what we understood over the course of the hour. So basically, we saw we saw what the main home screen is, basically the features on the home screen. We discussed about how you can put in your meals. We discussed how we can put your insulin. You can put in your exercise once. You can put it manually now, but later on you can put it through the sync feature. We have seen the Buddy Project helpline. We have given you all a brief introduction about it. So anyone with men slight who have been having slightly mental issues with regards to managing diabetes can contact them. They are your locals. They are free of cost psychiatrists. Let's put it in a more happy to understand way. uh, and basically we learned about the recipes button where you can see low carb substitute meals which you can have. We learned about the how we can sync our sugar glucose data through with the help of if you have a meow meow or you have a glucometer or you are using glimp. So we also learned about data syncing. We learned about what AI features have been used in this new app with regards to the Ask Nupo chatbot, the carb counter, the meal petition. So basically, what you're putting it in the meals. Um, so we've got to, before we go, there's one question. Can Diabox be used to extend Libre 2 sensor on iOS? I don't. Because the fact is, Diabox
Nope,
is
nope,
not
nope.
available, and secondly, we don't know because the Libre 2 hasn't been launched in India yet. But
Yep.
yeah, we can take this offline because it's now we are almost up with the hour.
I think
So
Amanjot's asked my favorite question before we sign off. Anything good for breakfast? Amanjot, there is an amazing recipe section on this app that you can use to find your favorite recipes, low carb, high protein. एंड इवन कुकिंग टाइम
Absolutely.
इंग्रेडिएंट्स सब है वहाँ पे, तो आप उसको यूज
Just
कीजिए।
go there.
एंड या और अगर आपके पास कोई अच्छी रेसिपीज है तो आप डेफिनेटली ऐप पे ऐड कीजिए ताकि हमें भी दिखाई दे बाद में।
Definitely, definitely.
So
So with
amazing,
this,
Madhu.
thank you
Thank you
very
so
much.
much
Thank you,
for this.
Nishta, for joining, and thank you
And
all for coming for this session. And
yeah,
I don't remember. I think next one is a meaty bate session. I don't know. Well, that will be a secret. For the
yeah,
till
we'll,
then,
we'll know
have
soon.
a lovely evening and have a lovely week. So thank you very much, and see you next
Keep your
time.
BGs in check, guys, and keep logging stuff. Bye
Yes,
bye.
keep
Ashish,
logging.
yes, you'll
Bye
find the
bye.
recording. Yes. Bye.
Bye bye.